Got a brand new set of 22-inch custom forged wheels for BMW 7 Series. This is the original look on stock 20s. And this is the new look on 22-inch wheels. Love the new look. This BMW looks sinister. The offset is spot on. Flush with fenders. Front offset is 15 and rear is 25. Brand new tires installed as well. Let me know in comments if you like this look. The tire size is 295/30/22 rears and 265/35/22 fronts, and we went with Toyo Proxy's ST3 tires. The color of this BMW is carbon black, with a black shadow line, so a perfect match with no chrome. Here is a night look as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our Car Captures Media channel.